Hello friends, welcome to our channel Knowledge Amplifier. So in my previous video I was discussing about the objective function of support vector machine classifier, and we have derived this one, that is the objective function is maximum of gamma, where gamma is the margin. So we need to maximize the margin. Which margin is basically function of w and b, where w is basically the perpendicular vector to the hyperplane, subject to the condition that for all I, yi multiplied by omega transpose xi plus b should be greater than 0. Yi is basically label of my binary classification, that is +1 and -1, and omega transpose xi plus b, when we multiply these two, this should be greater than 0 for all data points, for all possible training data, right? So we can rearrange this. So see, instead of gamma we can write this one, right? So we can write the optimization problem like this: maximization with respect to w and b. Which one we need to maximize? That is this one. This is nothing but expression of gamma, which I have discussed earlier also. Minimum of xi belong to d, omega transpose xi plus b, whole under mod by mod of w, right? Subject to the same condition, right? Now see this internal part, this one, minimization part only. This one here we are keep not considering the w and b as variable, right? In this particular part here, what we are doing here, basically for each training data we are calculating the distance from the training data to the hyperplane, and then we are choosing the minimum one. That means we are choosing the distance between closest training data and hyperplane. So here only we are changing xi. So from this particular part, mod of w, this one we can take outside because it will affect nothing, because this is acting like constant only for this particular part, right? So we will take outside of this, and this is our final mathematical optimization problem for SVM. That is maximum of w with which, based on which we need to maximize, there is w comma b, 1 by mod of w, and then this minimization subject to the condition that is for all I, yi multiplied by omega transpose xi plus b greater than 0, or sometime you can write, instead of for all I, you can write like this, that for all xi that belonging to our training data, yi multiplied by omega transpose xi plus b greater than 0, right? So this is what is the optimization problem. Now if you want to solve the optimization problem, you can easily understand that maxima, minima both are there. It is obviously not going to be very easy. There are many mathematical steps, assumptions are involved in the solving process, okay, which is not that much required from the machine learning and data science discussion point of view. Up to this particular mathematical intuition is sufficient for interview process also related to SVM, and whatever special important interview questions are frequently asked from this particular topic, I will also cover. No need to worry. So this is all for this video. Thank you for watching.